Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Polk County and central Florida until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bartow, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Point Siena, Winter Haven, King City, Bartow, Lake Wales, Fort Meade, Crooked Lake Park, Lee, Eagle Lake, and Lake Hamilton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms.
What the heck? Out of all, dude, I thought that was for Hernando or Sumter, not Polk.
We weren't even looking at Polk.
Yeah, but, okay, what did y'all think when I yelled SVR, though? Oh my gosh.